This is just a quick video to show you how the CDC mask pattern fits. This is one that I made from the pattern on the CDC website. And as I said in my gathered mask video, you can see how it goes right to the ears. Now, the other thing is, I had to turn the 2 layers of fabric. All of my patterns are with 2 layers of fabric anyway, because as an artist, I know that you can't use 1 layer of fabric. But on theirs, they have you turn it under once. On mine, I turn it under twice. But because they had it turned under once, I actually turned them to the inside. And you don't want a raw edge on the nose, on the inside of the nose, so that you're always irritated with that raw edge. And then my main complaint was the way they did the elastic, and I think it's because they wanted a person to be able to fit it to their own face and then hold it in place. But this is, so this is fitted to me, and then I stitched the elastic here according to their pattern. But I end up with all of this bunched up that won't adjust or flatten out. The other thing is, it sits very high on the face, again, because they don't have you turn this under twice, and that's right at the bottom of the eyes, which means people are going to be itching their eyes or pulling this down or fiddling with it, and if you touch your eyes and haven't washed your hands, you could get the virus. So we can't have a mask that protects your nose and mouth be a problem for your eyes. So, you know, I hate to be critical of the CDC. I don't know who wrote the pattern. I'm sure they came up with it so that everybody could easily sew their own face mask. But as an experienced sewer, honestly, I think my pattern is better. But there are obvious reasons why. You don't want a raw edge on the nose. You don't really want it to be this uncomfortable. Look at this. You don't really want a knot in there because, you know, how do you know you're not going to feel that all day? I hate to be picky, but I am.